Coal mines are a little bit elevated somewhat than the regular main lines going through. We generally move coal east from Pittsburgh towards Cumberland, Maryland. I have a number of interchanges with other railroads on the system. I interchange coal and merchandise with the Western Maryland. I also interchange with the B&O Railroad. And of course, I interchange with basically everybody else at Cumberland and Pittsburgh.
Since Bob's route crosses the Allegheny Mountains, it had to have some serious grades.
To represent southwestern Pennsylvania, I had to cross the Alleghenies, so I needed a mountain division. So my summit, the highest point on the railroad, is actually 58 inches from the floor. So it's gone from 43 inches up to 58. And then it comes back down. So we have an opportunity to run helper engines up the east slope as well as the west slope of the Alleghenies. And Cumberland and Pittsburgh are my endpoints, and they're located in a separate room. So both of those towns happen to be at 43 inches, which makes it nice that I have a track, a hidden switch, that I can bypass both Cumberland and Pittsburgh and make this railroad from a point-to-point system into continuous running, which is great for open houses and just display running.